chanteur Yann Moffat de son disque Le cœur dans la tête. Il est à Paris, s'apprête à monter sur scène où il va enregistrer son émission La Bande Passante qui est diffusée sur RFI Musique. Bonjour Alain Pilot.
Bonjour Guillaume.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien et vous?
Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien. Votre public est impatient de vous retrouver?
Ils sont déjà devant le restaurant où je suis en train de manger, ils attendent, ils hurlent pour me voir, pour s'agripper, pour avoir un petit bout de mon pantalon. Vous avez vu la dernière fois quand vous êtes venu sur scène, ça a été plaisir aussi.
Bah oui, absolument, c'est parti en veste d'ailleurs, c'est là où j'ai attrapé le coup de froid.
Je vous réclame à nouveau.
Avec plaisir. Ça a été très agréable, il faut dire à nos auditeurs qu'au moment où j'ai pris quelques jours là, à Paris pour prendre l'air un peu, Alain recevait Hubert Félix TSM et j'ai eu la chance de discuter avec lui un tout petit peu. Et d'ailleurs, on commence sérieusement à faire tourner les chansons d'Hubert Félix TSM ici et ça devrait marcher pour lui.
My husband recently left me, and we just gave birth to a baby.
Oh my goodness.
There's been a lot of infidelity in the relationship, and basically he doesn't want to have anything to do with me, and I just don't know where to go.
So sorry. Wow. When did he leave? Right when the baby came, or when you?
A little before, maybe 2 months ago. The baby was just born a week ago, and
how long you been married to him?
we've been married for 10 years.
Wow. And there's been an infidelity all along the way.
On his part, yes.
Do you have family?
I don't have very much family.
Where are they?
They live in another state, so I'm here alone, and I don't have very many friends because through that process being with him, there was a lot of isolation, and I never got out to meet anyone. So,
Well, Linda, in the area of healing, sometimes you have to actually start treating the wound and causing a little more pain and suffering before the healing.
734-261-4333 and book your next holiday party at Snookers, a great place for good times.
You were listening. Which they patrol. So, there's a clever twist on things. Immigrant border patrol.
Because if you continue this way, he's going to continue to use you. You're going to get so fed up with him that you're going to toss him out, and then it's going to be a mess. And then you're going to be so mad at him that he'll either cheat on you or you'll cheat on him again. This has got disaster written all over it. Your best shot is now to say to him, I really love you. I want to be married. Obviously, you're going to have to decide that you can go, that you get beyond this or not. I'm sorry. Stupid thing to do. I would never.
The Pacific and the Atlantic leaked trillions of gallons of crude oil and fuel and everything else.
Well, but they didn't wash up on Prince William Sound where we could see it, and there weren't a lot of sea otters there that were with oil, all through their bodies and so forth.
Yeah, but I think...
I get your point, but you're making mine at the same time. I mean, sure, they sunk all these World War II battleships and so forth. All kinds of oil went down with them.
The point being, Rush, I think, is that Mother Nature took care of it.
Yeah, that's absolutely right.
And that's how...
Your point that you're making mine at the same time. I get your point that you're making mine at the same time. I get your point that you're making mine at the same time. I get your point that you're making mine at the same time. I get your point that you're making mine at the same time.